Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play OSU, I don't even know how to say it, on your Chromebook, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button with notifications on as always. It'd really help me out and support my channel. As always, if you want to go even more and support my YouTube channel, you can buy my memberships, linked in the description below to check them out, starting at $2 a month with amazing perks such as badges, emojis, and much more. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, you'll need Linux mode enabled, linked in the description below on how to do so. After that, go to this website, which is always linked in the description below. Go to this little assets right here, click on owusu.app image right here. It will download the file in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Once it's done installing, click show in folder. What you want to do is right click the file, then click copy, go to Linux files, right click, and then click paste. Once it's done copying and pasting, close the Files app and open the Linux terminal. Once you've opened the terminal, go to this Google Doc, which is linked in the description below as always. Then go ahead and start copying and pasting the commands. The first one is optional, just do ls, click enter, just to make sure you have your file in there. If you do, it will show up right here. If you don't, it won't show up right here. Start by doing the second command right here, highlight it, right click it, then click copy, go back to the terminal, then right click. Type Y on your keyboard, then hit enter. Once it's done, do the number 3 command, highlight it, right click it, click copy, go back to the terminal and right click, then hit enter. It should do nothing. Then do the number 4 command, highlight it, right click it, click copy, go back to the terminal and right click, then click enter. OSU will launch on your Chromebook or however you say it. I'm not sure how to say it, but I think it's OSU. Then you want to go ahead and click on it, and then you can click play and start up a game. But whenever you close the game, there's no app to launch it again. You have to repeat all the commands to launch it, but we're going to fix that. Copy and paste the number 5 command, right click it, click copy, go back to the terminal and right click. Hit enter, then type Y on your keyboard, then hit enter. Once it's done installing, you can type menu libre, or you can copy and paste it from the Google Doc. Just type menu libre, then hit enter. A little app will pop up right here. You want to go ahead and select games right here. Click this little plus icon right here, then click add launcher. Go to new launcher right here and rename it OSU. After you have renamed the launcher, go to command right here and click on this little file. Go to home. Then select your OSU app image right here, then click OK. Go to this little Save Launcher button right here and click on it. After that, close Menu Libre, close the terminal, go to the menu, go up and scroll down to Linux Apps. OSU will be right here for you guys to launch, so go ahead and click on it. OSU will launch up like normal, and this is how you install OSU on your Chromebook. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below, subscribe to get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shout outs for this video. Today I'm just going to give one big shout out to Just Some Loaf. He's a friend from school and he really wanted to shout out on my YouTube channel. He's trying to hit some subs. So make sure to go subscribe to his channel and turn on post notifications. He uploads quality Roblox content. No. So I really hope you guys enjoy his channel, and it's IrwinTech signing out.